What's up everyone, it's your girl Angelique and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make cabbage bredie using, what is this? Okay, anyway, using Auntie Fatima's recipe. So may Allah grant her the highest place in Jannah, inshallah, amen. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is cook up my beef because ek hou nie van lankou vleisie. Okay, so I already put on my meat already and I didn't record that part, but I put up my meat already and it's busy cooking. It's almost finished, and then I'll start with the process and take you along with that. First step, we are going to cut up our onion now. Okay, so now I'm going to put oil in my pot and let the oil eat up a little bit. Put oil in my pot now. It's getting hot. I don't know if you can see. See, it's getting hot. And now that I've added my onions and my meat together, we're gonna wait for it to get brown, like a brown, and then we're ready for action. While we're waiting for our meat and onions to get a little bit brown, let's cut our potatoes. Okay, so now it's like a brown. Now we're gonna add some water. Okay, so now that we added some water to the pot, we're gonna put some salt to taste and a lot of black pepper, like a lot. It's gonna be some yum yum with black pepper. Okay, so now I'm just gonna leave my pot to cook for 30 minutes and then we're gonna come back to the next step. Okay, 30 minutes has passed and it's cooked through. So now we're gonna add our potatoes and our cut up cabbage. You can cut your cabbage as small as you want, or whichever way you want, but let's do that now. Now that we add our potatoes and our cabbage, we're gonna leave that to cook through for about 20-30 minutes, just so the potatoes and the cabbage can get like let it be one with the meat. Very nice, very good. Let us taste. My goodness. Net soos ek dit gelas het. Very good, very nice. That was freaking delicious. That was very nice. And that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.